My God is Alpha and Omega. Will you all say, church? I know we all have problems, because the word says, if you go to 1 Timothy, if you do not have persecution, even oppression, all these things are a way of persecution, a way of trial. Okay? ಇದು ಸಂಕಷ್ಟ ಬರೋದು, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೈತಾನ ಮಾಡು. But in that situation, lift up your hand and say, it doesn't bother me. I keep shouting, my God is Alpha and Omega. I rejoice in Him. He's alive. ನನ್ನ ದೇವರು ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Amen. That's why to church of Smyrna, it doesn't say for other 6 churches, but church of Smyrna, Jesus says, there's a very encouraging word, I am Alpha and Omega. Devil hates this word, church. ಸೈತಾನ ಇದನ್ನು ದೋಷಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. Devil wants us to murmur. ಸೈತಾನ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಗುಂಡುಗಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತನಾದೆ, ಅದು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.